Owning a swimming pool is like being on a permanent vacation, no matter how it is used, for games, for relaxation, or for exercise. The pool experience brings people together and helps you beat the heat. But unfortunately, there's also the cleaning part that isn't nearly as fun as swimming in it.
It's important to keep your pool clean because it keeps your drains from clogging, avoids algae growth, and to be honest, sometimes skimmers and automatic cleaners just aren't enough.
Pools need special maintenance, and for the longest time we believed that a tiny aquatic robotic pool cleaner was enough to keep our pool clean.
I used to have a robotic vacuum cleaner for my pool, and I wasn't satisfied with it because it was unsightly, it was expensive to repair, and it didn't pick up all of the debris.
There's a family-owned company that has innovated pool vacuuming systems for more than 20 years.
Power Vac was invented by me and my father about 26 years ago out of necessity. We were in the service business, cleaning pools, and didn't have a vacuum that actually would work fast enough for us and get all the debris and keep us from having to clean the filters and using the customer system. And through all that, we pretty much invented the Power Vac, which is a portable battery-powered swimming pool vacuum that works independent from your whole pool system. And it allowed us to clean so many more pools so much faster, where before we were cleaning maybe 10 pools a day, and now we're able to clean 20 and 25 pools a day.
In 1995, I started using the Power Vac system. Power Vac system has made my life and the life of my employees a whole lot easier.
The Power Vac is 100% portable and battery powered, so all I have to do is snap on the pole, drop it in, and my pool can be cleaned in 5 minutes.
Power Vac has the most powerful, durable, and affordable vacuuming systems available in the market. They are all proudly made in the USA.
So the Power Vac is a portable battery-powered swimming pool vacuum that works completely independent from your pool pump and filter. Designed to produce maximum suction underwater, it sucks up all types of debris with a powerful electric motor. Debris is then trapped and filtered through a fine mesh filter bag. The vacuum also has 4 swivel wheels, providing you with 360-degree movement, unlike other conventional vacuums, which can only move back and forth.
It also goes in the walls of my pool, the steps, and I can even flip it over and skim the surface of the pool.
But this amazing innovation can vacuum large piles of leaves, dirt, rocks, and even coins.
All debris from sand to glass are collected in the mesh filter bag, which can be dumped and used again. Our superfine bag filters sand, hair, leaves, and other fine debris. For a heavier cleaning, our heavy-duty filter bag works great for glass, twigs, rocks, and storm cleanup.
Created with the professional pool cleaners in mind, Power Vac uses quality components.
Power Vac is made from high-quality, non-corrosive components that hold up to tough pool chemicals. We created a product that allows worn-out parts to be replaced with ease.
Companies like Power Vac do not just focus on having the best product, but also unmatched customer service.
We pride ourselves on incomparable customer service by providing prompt and efficient assistance. At Power Vac, we are constantly making new improvements to our products, always approaching new technology that will save you time and money.
To find out more about how Power Vac can help you to get your pool ready for the season, visit powervac.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.